Okay, good evening students. Vitamin D. Vitamin D are sources: egg, liver, dairy products, fish, synthesized by sunlight. Sunlight synthesis பண்ணலாம் வருது. Vitamin D deficiency-னால வரக்கூடிய டிசீஸ் பேர் ரிக்கட்ஸ். சில்ட்ரனுக்கு வந்து அது ரிக்கட்ஸு, அடல்ட்டுக்கு வந்து அது ஆஸ்டியோமலேசியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி போயிடுது. அதை இனிமேல் டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்கலாம். பவுடு லெக்ஸ் எல்லாம் வளைஞ்சிரும். டிஃப்ராக்டிவ் அண்ட் டெவலப்மெண்ட் ஆஃப் தி பீஜின் ஜிஸ்ட் மாதிரி வந்துடும். நெக்ஸ்ட் விட்டமின் இயோட கெமிக்கல் நேம் டோகோபெரால். இது கோதுமையோட முழு அளவில் இருக்குது, மீட்டில் இருக்குது, வெஜிடபிள் ஆயில் இருக்குது, மில்கில் இருக்குது. இது எல்லாம்னால ரேட்டில் வந்து டெஸ்ட் பண்ணி ஸ்டெரிலிட்டி ஃபார்மேஷன் கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்காங்க. ரீப்ரொடக்டிவ் நார்மாலிட்டி வரும், இது கம்ப்ளீட்னா ஸ்டெரிலிட்டி ஆயிரும். நெக்ஸ்ட் விட்டமின் கே. இது குயினோன் அப்படிங்கிற ப்ராடக்டோட டெரைவேட்டிவ்ஸ்லேருந்து எடுக்கிறாங்க. இது எங்கே இருக்குன்னா லீவ்லி வெஜிடபிள், சோயாபீன், மில்கில் இருக்குது. இது இல்லைன்னா பிளட் கிளாட்டிங் லேட் ஆகும். எக்ஸசிவ் ப்ளீடிங் டியூ டு டிலேடு பிளட் கிளாட்டிங், ப்ளீடிங் அதிகமாகி பிளட் கிளாட்டிங் ஆகாது. ஓகேங்களா? இதுவரை நம்ம பார்த்தது ஃபேட் சால்யூபிள் விட்டமின்ஸ். இனிமேல் நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற விட்டமின்ஸ் வாட்டர் சால்யூபிள் விட்டமின்ஸ். இந்த விட்டமின்ஸ் எல்லாம் வாட்டரில் சால்வ் ஆச்சுன்னா அது பேர் வாட்டர் சால்யூபிள் விட்டமின். என்னென்ன விட்டமின்ஸ்? விட்டமின் பி, விட்டமின் சி. விட்டமின் பி அண்ட் சி இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் வாட்டர் சால்யூபிள் விட்டமின்ஸ். Vitamin B is a complex. Vitamin B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 இந்த மாதிரி continuous going on. First vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 chemical name is thiamine. Chemical name of the vitamin B1 is called as thiamine. It is present in whole grains, yeast and eggs, liver and sprouted pulses. அப்படின்னா முளைக்க வைக்கப்பட்ட தானியங்கள் அதெல்லாம் இதில் இருக்கு. விட்டமின் B1 deficiency disease is called as beriberi. Symptoms of this disease is degenerative changes in nerves are damaged continuously. The muscle become weak and paralysis. That is the deficiency of vitamin B1 disease. Vitamin B1 deficiency disease is called as beriberi. The symptoms of beriberi is degenerative changes in nerves are degenerative changes and muscles become weakened and paralysis means to fit muscle இழுத்து பிடிச்சிக்கிறது பேர் paralysis. Next vitamin B12. The chemical name of the vitamin B12 is riboflavin. The source of vitamin B2 is milk, eggs, liver, green vegetables, whole grains. These are the sources of vitamin B2. The deficiency of the vitamin B2 is cheolosis அல்லது arboflavinosis அல்லது cheolosis. Arboflavinosis or cheolosis. The symptoms of cheolosis is irritation in the eyes, கண்ணில் எரிச்சல் ஏற்படும். Dry skin should be dry. Inflammation of lips, உதடுகள் வீங்கி போயிடும். Fissures, உதடுகள் வெடிப்பு ஏற்படும். அண்ட் கார்னர்ஸ் ஆஃப் தி மவுத்தோட கார்னர்ஸில் வெடிப்புகள் ஏற்படும். அப்படி வந்தது விட்டமின் B12. The deficiency of vitamin B12 is arboflavinosis அல்லது cheolosis. Next vitamin B3. The chemical name of vitamin B3 is niacin. The source of vitamin B3 is milk, eggs, liver, lean meats, ground nuts and bran, தவிடுகள். இதெல்லாம் vitamin B3 deficiency disease is called as pellagra. Vitamin B3 deficiency disease is called as pellagra. The symptoms of pellagra is inflammation of skin, loss of memory and diarrhea. These are the functions of vitamin B3. The chemical name of vitamin B3 is niacin. The deficiency disease of vitamin B3 is pellagra. The symptoms of pellagra disease is inflammation of skin, loss of memory and diarrhea is deficiency of vitamin B3. Next vitamin B6. The chemical name of vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. The source of vitamin B3 is meat, fish, eggs, germs of dermatitis, grains, cereals, rice, pollings. மீட்டில் இருக்குது, ஃபிஷ்ஷில் இருக்குது, எக்கில் இருக்குது, ஜேம்ஸ் ஆஃப் கிரைன்ஸ் அண்டு சியல்ஸ், தானிய வகைகள், பருப்பு வகைகளில் இது இருக்குது. ரைஸ், பாலிஷ் செய்யாத ரைஸில் இருக்குது, பாலிஷ் பண்ண ரைஸ். Vitamin B6 deficiency disease is called as dermatitis. That is called as dermatitis. The symptoms of dermatitis: scaly skin, nervous disorders, நரம்பு சம்மந்தப்பட்ட டிசார்டர்ஸ் எல்லாம் வரும். Next, vitamin B12. The chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. Milk, that is present in milk, meat, liver, pulses, cereals and fish. பாலில் இருக்குது, கறியில் இருக்குது, லிவரில் இருக்குது, பருப்பு வகையில் இருக்குது, சியல் தானிய வகையில் இருக்குது, ஃபிஷ்ஷில் இருக்குது. The vitamin B12 deficiency disease called as pernicious anemia. It is decrease in red blood cells. Production. Degeneration of spinal cord. The degeneration of spinal cord is deficiency symptoms of pernicious anemia. Vitamin B12. The chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. It is present in milk, meat, liver, pulses and cereals and fishes. The deficiency disease of vitamin B12 is pernicious anemia. The symptoms of vitamin B12 is decrease in red blood cell production. Degeneration of spinal cord is the symptoms of vitamin B12. Next, vitamin C. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. It is present leafy vegetables, sprouts, தானிய வகைகள். Citrus fruits like vitamin C fruits. Citrus fruits எலுமிச்சங்க, கொழுமிச்சங்க, இதெல்லாம் citrus fruits. Like gooseberry, amla, lemon, orange, these present in vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency disease is called as scurvy. The symptoms of vitamin C is swollen bleeding gums, decay in healing wounds, teeth and bones and malformed. That is the symptoms of vitamin C. Okay, once more reply. That is water soluble vitamins. Water soluble vitamin is vitamin B and vitamin C. First we can see the vitamin B1. The chemical name of vitamin B1 is thiamine. Vitamin B1 present is whole grains, yeast, eggs, livers and spotted pulses present. Vitamin B1 deficiency disease is called as beriberi. The symptoms of beriberi is degenerative changes in nerves and muscles. Muscle become weak and paralysis. These are the symptoms of water soluble vitamins. Next, vitamin B12. The chemical name of vitamin B2 is riboflavin. That is present in milk, eggs, liver and green vegetables, whole grains. The deficiency disease of vitamin B2 is arboflavinosis or cheolosis. The symptoms of cheolosis: irrigation of eyes, dry skin, inflammation of lips and fissures in the corner of the mouth. That is the symptoms of vitamin B2. Next, vitamin B3. The chemical name of vitamin B3 is niacin. That is present in milk, eggs, liver and lean meat, ground nuts and bran. தவிடு வகையெல்லாம் இது, அரிசி தவிடு, கோதுமை தவிடு எல்லாம். Vitamin B3 deficiency disease is called as pellagra. The symptoms of pellagra is inflammation of skin, loss of memory and diarrhea. Next, vitamin B6. The chemical name of vitamin B6 is pyridoxine. That is present in meat, fish, eggs, germs of grains and cereals, rice pollings. The deficiency of vitamin B6 disease is dermatitis. That is dermatitis. The symptoms of dermatitis is scaly skin, nervous disorder. Next, vitamin B12. The chemical name of vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. That is cyanocobalamin. It is present in milk, meat, liver, pulses, cheers and fish. The vitamin B12 deficiency disease is called as pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia. The symptoms of pernicious anemia is decrease in red blood cell production, degeneration of spinal cord. This is the symptoms of vitamin B12. Pernicious anemia. Next vitamin is vitamin C. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid. That is present in leafy vegetables, sprouts, citrus fruits. Elumichika, kolumichika, idella citrus fruits. Gooseberry, amla, lemon, orange. That is present. The symptoms of the deficiency of the vitamin C disease is called as scurvy. That is called as scurvy. The symptoms of scurvy is swollen and bleeding gums, decay in healing of the wounds, the teeth loose, teeth and bones are malformed. That is the functions of symptoms of scurvy disease. Okay, students. Next, minerals. Minerals are present in dietary source, functions and deficiency disorders. We can see minerals. What are the sources of minerals? What are the functions of minerals? What are the deficiency disorders of these minerals? First, we can see the macro minerals. The minerals present in large scale, that is called as macro minerals. The minerals present in large scale is that is called as macro minerals. The first mineral is called calcium. Calcium is present in dairy products, பால் பொருட்கள், beans, cabbage, eggs, fish, முட்டைக்கோசு, eggs, fish. The functions of calcium is to constitute the bones and the enamel of teeth. The production of bones and enamel of teeth and the clotting of blood and control the muscle contraction is controlled by calcium minerals. When the lack of calcium, these are the symptoms are automatically produced. Deficiency disorders of calcium minerals is bone deformities, poor skeletal growth, osteoporosis in adults. Osteoporosis means to lean the bones, easily break down the bones is called as osteoporosis. Next mineral is sodium. Sodium is present in common salt. Functions of sodium is to maintain the fluid balance and involved in the neurotransmission. Neurotransmission means the impulses are transmitted by a neuron. The functions of impulse transmission is called as neurotransmission. Next, the deficiency of sodium minerals is muscle cramps. Muscle nerve impulse do not get transmitted. Nerve impulse do not transmitted when the sodium is deficiency. Next mineral is potassium. Potassium present in banana, sweet potato, nuts, whole grains, citrus fruits. The functions of potassium is to regulate the nerves and muscle activity. To regulate the muscle and nerve activity. The deficiency symptoms of potassium is muscular fatigue, nerve impulse do not get transmitted. These also nerve impulse do not get transmitted. Next we can see the micronutrients, microminerals. The minerals present in small scale, that is in our body, is called as micronutrients. First mineral is iron. Iron is present in spinach, dates, பேரிச்சம்பழம், கீரை வகை, green broccoli, whole cereals, nuts, fish, liver இதெல்லாம் present ஆகும். The functions of iron is important component of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a red color pigment that is present in our blood. It is to carry the oxygen from one place to another place of our body. The deficiency of iron is disease is anemia. That is anemia. Next mineral is iodine. Iodine present in milk, seafoods, iodized salts automatically present. The functions of iodine is formation of thyroid hormones. The formation of thyroid hormones. The deficiency symptoms of iodine is goiter disease. That is called as goiter disease. Once more replying. Now we can see the minerals. Minerals. What are the sources of minerals? Functions and deficiency disease. First we can see the macro minerals. The minerals present in large scale in our body is called as macro minerals. First, calcium mineral. Calcium is present in dairy products, beans, cabbage, eggs, fishes. The functions of calcium is constituent of blood bones and enamel of teeth, production of enamel and bone teeth, clotting of blood, and controls muscle contraction. Next, deficiency disease of calcium is bone deformities, poor skeletal growth, and osteoporosis in adult. Osteoporosis is a disease. The bone is easily broken down by or any small accident, that is called as osteoporosis. Next, sodium. Sodium present in common salt. The functions of sodium is to maintain the fluid balance involved in neurotransmission. Neurotransmission means impulse transferred from one neuron to another neuron is called as neurotransmission. The symptoms of deficiency sodium is muscular cramps, nerve impulse do not get transmitted. Next one is potassium. Potassium present in banana, sweet potato, nuts and whole grains and citrus fruits. The functions of potassium is to regulate the nerves and muscle activity. The deficiency disease is muscular fatigue, nerve impulse cannot transmit it. These are the functions of potassium. Next, microelements. Micro means small scale. The minerals present in small scale is that is called as micronutrients. First one nutrient is iron. Iron present in spinach, dates, green broccoli, whole cereals, nuts and fish and liver. These are the source of ions. The functions of ions is important the component hemoglobin. Hemoglobin present in our blood, that is red colored pigment. The functions of hemoglobin to carry the oxygen from one place to another place in our body. The symptoms of deficiency of iron is anemia. Anemia means the degrees of hemoglobin content is called as anemia. Next mineral is iodine. Iodine present in milk, seafoods, iodized salts automatically present. The functions of iodine is to formation of thyroid hormones. Production of thyroid hormones is regulated by iodine hormone. The deficiency symptom is goiter disease. That is goiter disease. Next, protein deficiency disease we can see. Protein deficiency disease. There are two deficiency disease already we studied. First one is Kwashiorkor. 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 It is a condition, severe protein deficiency. The protein is severely deficiency. It affects on children between 1 to 5 years of age. 1 to 5 குழந்தைங்களுக்கு இந்த டிசீஸ் வரும். The whole diet mainly consists of carbohydrate but lack of proteins. அவங்க கார்போஹைட்ரேட் மட்டும்தான் எடுத்துக்குவாங்க, ப்ரோட்டீனே எடுத்துக்க மாட்டாங்க. அப்படி இருந்தாங்கன்னா இப்படி ஆயிடுவாங்க. இதுதான் Kwashiorkor டிசீஸோட சிம்டம்ஸ். அவங்களோட வயிறு வந்து the belly region should be enlarged. This is a Kwashiorkor disease. Next, marasmus disease. It usually affects on infants. Infants na chinna குழந்தைங்க below the age of 1 year with 1 year. ஒரு வயசுக்கு கம்மியாக இருக்கிற குழந்தைங்க. When the diet is poor in carbohydrates, fats and proteins. இப்படி இருந்தால் அவங்களுக்கு பேர் marasmus. இது marasmus disease. The bones are covered by skin lightly. Body should be emaciated and poorly developed muscles and body should be very lean. This is the symptoms of marasmus disease. This is the symptoms of Kwashiorkor disease. Two or bothly produced in protein deficiency diseases. Once more reply. Next we can see the protein deficiency disease. The protein deficiency is two diseases. First one is Kwashiorkor, another one is marasmus. The two diseases totally differentiate in our body. First, Kwashiorkor. It is a symptoms of the disease of protein deficiency. It is a condition. Severe protein deficiency leads to the Kwashiorkor. Severe protein deficiency leads to Kwashiorkor. It affects on children between the age of 1 to 5 years age. It is one more question. The 1 to 5 years age children are affected by protein deficiency disease is called as Kwashiorkor. The whole diet mainly consists of carbohydrates only, but lack of proteins. Protein எடுத்துக்காதனால the disease அங்களுக்கு வருது. Next one is marasmus disease. It usually affects on infants. சின்ன குழந்தைங்களுக்கு மட்டும் வரும். Below the age of 1 year குறைவாக இருக்கிற குழந்தைங்களுக்கு வரும். When the diet is poorly in carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins இதெல்லாம் எடுத்துக்காதனால தான் இப்படி வரும். This is the diagram of Kwashiorkor deficiency disease of protein. Next, the belly region should be enlarged and the face and feet should be odema. Odema na weakam. Should be odema weakam adigrum. Face food should be inflammation. The belly region of the child is enlarged. This is the symptoms of Kwashiorkor. Next, marasmus disease. Marasmus is protein deficiency disease in below the 1 year of childs. The bones are covered by skin lightly. The muscles are poorly developed. Child should be emaciation அழைச்சி போகிறது. The poor development of muscles in our whole body. Bones only developed, muscles do not develop. Like a bones are covered by skin lightly. Okay, thank you students. Let us meet next topic.